Instead of using just one trailer to transport and then do all the other operations outside of the trailer on the onyxes or different tents, EdCore can be used for transportation, and there is plenty of room to set up a workshop. Change tires, open the doors, pop up the hood, and everything that you can do in your own shop. You have at least 3.5 feet from each door to be maneuvering and taking care of your vehicle. After the vehicle is loaded, EdCore unit could be closed and then used for transporting it.